Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to erase in Photoshop. Let's get started. For the eraser tool to work properly, you first need to convert your image to a normal layer if it's a background. Click on the lock icon to do so. In the Tools panel on the left, click on the Eraser tool. This tool removes everything under your cursor like a regular eraser. In the options bar, you'll see three different modes. You have the brush, which erases with soft edges, the pencil, which erases with hard, sharp edges, and the block, which erases with a square shape instead of a circle. When you click on the brush options, you can change the size and hardness to make the eraser work just the way you need. You also have the opacity slider to adjust the transparency level of the brush. You can adjust the flow to control how fast the eraser effect is applied, allowing for either lighter or more intense erasing with each stroke. Smoothing helps to steady your hand when using the eraser tool, making your erasing lines look smoother and less shaky. Now let's move on to the background eraser tool. Right-click on the eraser tool and select the background eraser tool. This tool is smarter. It erases the background around an object while keeping the edges of the object intact. Lastly, we have the Magic Eraser tool. This tool works like a magic wand that selects and erases similar colors all at once, based on how similar the colors are. And that's it! You've learned how to use the eraser tool in Photoshop to remove unwanted parts of your image. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.